Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Visual Studio Code versus Visual Studio for Unity development. We'll dive into their core functionalities, examining how each environment handles C# coding, debugging, and overall project management within the Unity ecosystem. Our goal is to help you understand the distinct advantages and disadvantages of both, so you can make an informed decision about which integrated development environment best suits your specific workflow and project needs, ensuring a smoother and more efficient development experience. Visual Studio Code stands out as a lightweight, highly customizable editor. Its strength lies in its vast extension marketplace, offering hundreds of extensions for C# and Unity, like the C# Dev Kit. This allows for quick startup times and minimal resource usage, making it excellent for smaller projects or machines with limited power. Debugging is robust, providing essential features like breakpoints and variable inspection, all within a flexible and efficient interface that many developers appreciate for its speed. Visual Studio, on the other hand, is a comprehensive, full-featured integrated development environment, often bundled directly with Unity. It provides an incredibly rich C# tooling experience, including advanced refactoring, deep code analysis, and superior IntelliSense. Its integrated debugger is exceptionally powerful, offering features like edit and continue, and a wide array of diagnostic tools. This makes Visual Studio particularly well-suited for larger, more complex Unity projects, where extensive features and deep integration are paramount for efficient development. When choosing between these two powerful tools, consider your priorities. If you value speed, flexibility, and a highly customizable editor, Visual Studio Code might be your ideal choice. However, if you require a complete, integrated development experience with advanced debugging, comprehensive refactoring, and extensive code analysis, Visual Studio is likely the better fit. Both offer excellent Unity integration, but your project's scale and personal preferences will ultimately guide your decision. Experiment with both to find your perfect match.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.